If you are looking for an app that perfectly combines AI and cryptocurrency trading, then this video is for you. Let me ask you something. Do you really know BingX? Because you have probably heard about it. You might know it's a cryptocurrency exchange with over 40 million users. And you might even know it as the pioneer of copy trading or recognize their logo from their partnership with Chelsea and Ferrari. But today I want to show you something very different. I want to show you how BingX is using AI to solve a real problem for traders and how it helped me to navigate a volatile market situation just last week. But before we dive deeper, I must remind you that this video is for experience sharing and educational purposes only, and it does not constitute investment advice. The market was moving fast and I had a position open and I wasn't sure whether to add it, cut it or hold, and instead of guessing, I turned to BingX AI. So first I used AI Bingo, the trading assistant, to get a quick analysis of the current candlestick patterns. I asked it, please analyze the following 4 hours of Bitcoin/USDT and identify the key support and resistance levels. And instantly I got a clear data-driven breakdown, real numbers, not opinions. AI Bingo scanned over 1000 market pairs and identified a potential reversal patterns forming on Bitcoin and USDT, pinpointing the key support and resistance levels with precision. Before AI Bingo, getting this kind of analysis meant spending hours of scrolling through charts, cross-referencing multiple indicator tools, or paying for expensive third-party signals. Most traders relied on gut feeling or scattered information from social media. Now with AI Bingo, what used to take hours now takes seconds, and the analysis is grounded in actual market data, not hype. But I wanted more than just a quick analysis. I wanted a strategy. So I went to AI Master, the AI trading strategist of BingX. Here is where BingX AI Master really stands out. I could browse different masters on channel page, each one modeled after the strategies of legendary investors with unique approaches, coin portfolios and risk levels. I chose a master that matched my conservative risk profile and asked it to formulate a strategy based on the current Bitcoin market conditions. I even chatted directly with AI Masters to understand its strategy logic and risk factors before committing. The AI recommended a specific entry level point, a stop loss level and a target, all based on its analysis of vast market data. With literally just one click, I could have executed the entire strategy. Now this is not gimmick. This is a practical tool that helps you think more clearly and make data-driven decisions in a fast-moving market. And this is what I want to talk about today, the real product behind the BingX brand. What you just saw is the core of BingX Vision. They are the world's first platform to launch an AI-powered crypto trading strategist, and it's designed to solve the biggest challenges traders face: information overloaded, emotional decision making, and strategy formulation. Let's quickly break down what makes it so powerful. First, the engine. BingX uses a multi-modal AI engine that provides real-time cognitive responses. It's like having a 24/7 trading assistant that's always learning. Second is the data. The AI analyzes vast amounts of historical and real-time market data, from price fluctuations to technical indicators. And this is how it can provide such insightful data-driven analysis. Third is the strategy, and this is the game changer. The AI doesn't just give you data, it gives you tailored strategies based on your trading patterns and risk profile. And it can even recommend top traders to follow for copy trading. And finally, the execution. BingX has created a seamless loop from insight to action. You can go from market analysis to trade execution in just a few clicks with P&L simulations and automated tools to help you along the way. And the best part, this is completely free to use, and this commitment to AI is not just a recent trend for them. Through the BingX all-in-one strategy, they have invested over $300 million into their AI infrastructure, and the results speak for themselves. It has already resolved over 29 million trading issues for nearly 3 million early adopters. And this is not just a pilot program, it's a serious long-term commitment to redefining the future of trading. Now let's talk about the features that BingX is most famous for, which is copy trading. For a very long time, the steep learning curve of crypto trading has been a major barrier to entry. Mastering technical analysis and navigating market volatility usually requires years of trial and error, a luxury most people don't have. But what if you could bypass that struggle and start with the expertise of a seasoned veteran? And that's exactly why copy trading exists. It levels the playing field, allowing beginners to mirror the moves of top-tier traders and execute professional strategies from their very first day. BingX was the first platform in industry to launch copy trading, and the numbers are staggering. Over 1.3 billion cumulative copy trading orders, with more than $580 billion in total copy trading volume. This is not just a side feature. This is the core of their platform, and it is built on foundation of transparency and user control. Before you copy anyone, you can see their everything, their performance, their drawdowns, their trading history, their risk metrics. You choose who to follow and how much capital to allocate, and you can stop at any time. And this is exactly what democratizes trading, and the platform is generally new trader friendly. And for an advanced trader, this is a most powerful diversification tool. The entire user-centered experience is designed so that whether you are just starting out or have years of experience, you feel supported at every single step. Now let me just talk about something that matters just as much as innovation, which is trust. When I first started using BingX, one of the things that gave me confidence was their elite partnerships with brands like Ferrari and Chelsea. These are not just marketing deals, they are trusted by top tier teams, and that speaks volumes. It's a case of legacy meets innovation. Brands at that level do not associate with platforms that lack all-round top-notch security measures. And BingX backs this up with real fund security and user protection. They use a multi-layer security architecture to segregate user funds and undergo ongoing audits. They have 100% proof of reserves, which you can verify yourself. This is not just about promising security, it's about proving it with transparency. After spending a lot of time on platform, my conclusion is this: BingX is far more than just another crypto exchange. And speaking from the personal experience, BingX solved real pain points for me. Before I started using BingX, I was juggling multiple tools for analysis, strategy, and execution, and BingX brought everything under one roof. The feature I find most appealing is AI Master. Having an AI-powered strategist that I can consult anytime completely changed how I approach the market. BingX is a technology company that is genuinely focused on solving real problems for traders. Whether it's their groundbreaking AI tools, their industry-leading copy trading platform, or their unwavering commitment to security, BingX is building the infrastructure for future of trading. If you want to explore these features for yourself, I have left a link in description. You can try out the AI Master, explore the copy trading platform, and see how it all works in practice. And of course, finally, I have a question for you. Do you think AI will be the most important factor in choosing a trading platform in the future? And what matters more to you, cutting edge innovation or proven security? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this review helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more in-depth content, and thank you for watching.